Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the worst desk is out there. It's a folding one. It's great for what it is, but it's a folding one and not very sturdy, you could say. Good for what it is. But I got myself a better disc here, and here's the assembly instructions. So we're gonna put this thing together. I'll aim y'all down here so you can watch me do it. So here we go. It comes with the screws and and the wrench. So this here. So the tape. There's Hey, look at that nice desk. And I saw on the bottom here it has these little wheel things here, so you could adjust it. So if you're on an uneven level, it can make it level. So it's really nice desk, nice and a bit way more solid than my previous attempt at a desk. So this is nice. Look at this. It'll fit computer and everything on there. So I like it. Thumbs up.